You, it's your boy, you feel? You better again. It's a brand new week. It's Monday today. Finna hit the gym real quick. Then you're gonna look at the chart like always, man. You get me? Have to get to it, man. There's no resting, there's no smiling. We only smile in December one time, you feel me? But yeah, man. Like I always say, if you win the morning, you get to conquer the day, man. You get me? That's what I'm trying to do. So let's get it. We're back again, game. Today's Monday. Right now we're looking at gold 1 hour time frame. Right now the time is 10:10 a.m. You get me? As you see here, this is the thing that I did for the weekly forecast. If you didn't watch the Sunday video, you hear me? Basically, I'm anticipating market to reject here, to go and fill this fair value gap, or go above this fair value gap, to try to move above. You feel me? To go bullish. So let me just remove these things for now again and see what we are seeing here. So as we are seeing here, the market is touched this, what you call this fair value gap. You gave me the daily fair value gap, if I'm not mistaken. Here, the daily fair value gap. You gave me touch this daily fair value gap, and the market just opened right here. You gave me. So let me put that thing like this to show where the market just opened, which is here. Midnight open. You gave me. Let me just label this MN open. Again, so right now on the 1 hour time framing, I'm not seeing too much, but I'm seeing that the market left liquidity here. You feel me? There's liquidity on the below side, so it might be valid that we are looking for sales to come to fill this fair value gap. You get me? So what I'm gonna do right now, because I see that the market is looking like it's rejecting this here, I'm gonna go to the 15 and see if I can see an entry or a setup that will lead me to an entry game. So let's do this real quick. Okay, so what I'm seeing, the market open here initially, went down and went above to break this high. I think it broke this high. I think it broke this high, bro. Yeah, it broke the high. You feel me? So it took liquidity on the upper side to get me. So it might be looking to sell right now. As you can see, it broke this above side, and right now it broke this low side here to create a market structure shift. Let me just mark it out as well. Real quick. MSS. This market structure shift. Let me just extend this here so you can see this properly. MSS, you gave me, and he left a fair value gap here, as you can see. After breaking above, taking out liquidity on the above side and taking liquidity on the lower side and creating a market structure shift, they might be looking to sell right here. You gave me. So this is 50. Let me just label this 50. 15 AM. You get me? So just like this, you get me? So this is the 15 minutes fair value gap right now. Look like it touched here. As you can see, look like it touched here a bit. You get me? So I'm gonna wait for rejection. If the market gives me a rejection like a very close candle here, then I'm gonna take my entry to the below side. You get me? 1:3 though. If it rejects here, then I'm gonna take my 1:3, take out this liquidity and this liquidity is here, and tap inside this fair value gap. You get me? For my 1:3. So that's what I'm seeing as of right now. You get me? It depends what it does here. Maybe it might just break above it and try to aim for this liquidity here. You get me? Before it can go below. You get me? But we have to wait and see here. So I'll just update you if I take a trade and what happened for me to take a trade or what we want to get me. That's it for now. We back again. You get me? Here's an update. 15 minutes time frame. Gold. Right now the time is 12:10 p.m. You get me? As you can see, price came here, but it didn't give us a rejection. As you can see, it gave us this rejection, but this rejection is inside the fair value gap, so we can't trade that. You get me? We have to wait for rejection outside the fair value gap somewhere here. You get me? So what happened is came back above, touched the daily time frame again, to daily fair value gap again, which is this large one. You get me? So right now it came back below and below this candle, which is a good thing. You feel me? But we have to wait and see because we have a higher fair value gap. I didn't mark out that first, which is this 1 hour fair value gap. Let me just show you real quick. You see this 1 hour fair value gap from here to here, because it broke this high with this candle. It's a proper fair value gap, this one. You get me? So right now it came back inside it. As you can see, it was rejecting inside this fair value gap. So right now it rejected above, touched the daily fair value gap. Right now is playing around inside this fair value gap. So it's gonna depend what happens. But if it closes bearish outside this 15 minutes time fair value gap, this one, if it closes below this one, I'm gonna take my entry here in 1:3. You get me? Or am I gonna take it on the 15 minutes? I don't know. Let me check something. If it closes below with the bearish candle here, then I'm entering my cells here. You get me? So that's the update for now. I'll just update you how I enter, if I entered even. You get me? We're back with it again. Right now I'm gonna give you an update. Gold 15 minutes time frame. Right now the time is 8:19 p.m. You get me? I didn't take any trade today because the market didn't give me any setup. You get me? As you can see, what I was waiting on, I was waiting for a rejection in here. As you can see, it was looking like the market was gonna give me a rejection and close below this fair value gap. But as you can see, it consolidated on this fair value gap. You get me? Then it went and buy, so I didn't take any trade. You get me? Plus, because I was looking for sales, I couldn't now look for buys. You get me? I just decided, you know what, I'm just gonna let the market buy without me. You feel me? Because I was expecting sales. So basically that's it. You feel me? I don't take any trade today. It's Monday. You feel me? There was liquidity on gold, yes, as always, but on Nasdaq I don't think there was liquidity. Let me check something. I'm gonna check Nasdaq real quick. Nasdaq, let's see. As you can see, Nasdaq from initial position, it did come up. I thought you're gonna reject on here. It didn't reject here, but I told you on the weekly forecast is if it didn't reject here, then it means he might use this as a support to aim for high. As you can see, you have this fair value gap here and this one, so we might be aiming for this fair value gaps gap. So right now I'm gonna remove this. It means below side it might be done for now. You get me? For now it might be done until it aims for here. So basically that's the end of the video right here. You get me? Didn't take any trade today. We'll come back tomorrow, Tuesday, and we're gonna see what we're gonna see. You get me? As for gold, as you can see, it's playing around this daily fair value gap. So if it trades above it, you might be looking for buys and sell. You get me? Without even having to trace back to this level. You get me? If it trades above this fair value gap, then you're gonna look for buys without coming here. You get me? So that's it for now. Appreciate your time, and yeah,